Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to search messages on Instagram. If someone sent you a message and you don't remember who sent that message, how can you find that message? I am going to explain it in this video. So let's begin. First, make sure that you are connected with the internet, and once connected with the internet, go and open your Instagram application. In Instagram application, go to your DMs. In DMs, here you need to click on search. Here you have to type the message that someone sent you but you don't remember their name. Scroll down. Here you can see that the two messages that are here have been matched. Similarly, if there are more messages in your inbox, then all of them will also appear here with the respective profiles, and likewise, you will be able to search for messages. If you found this video was helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.